Hi TVS, welcome back to my next video in VHDL language. So basically I have stopped my all the videos right now. You can able to see no videos are going to upload right now. So I thought of new way to express these topics by using some theoretical part. Okay, so without wasting time, let me tell you why I have kept this screenshot here and the thing what you are looking and what I am going to tell you. So basically I want to tell the thing is now we are going to shift to digital design through Verilog. Okay, till now we have done VHDL programming many, as well as Verilog programming as also many, and also we have conducted many small projects we have done on your major projects as well as mini projects. Right now what I am going to do is I am concentrating on your academics part. Okay, basically people face a lot of problem while writing their exams. Basically projects can be done and implemented by using if you go to any third party consultancies, you will be getting the projects, ready-made projects will be done. Okay, and most of the people will be not be opting for this Verilog or VHDL. Most of them go for embedded part, which I have covered in JNTU labs. You can go and watch those videos also. There I have created a wonderful all the sessions for you. Same kind of thing you will be finding, same experience from the basics to the end. All the videos are present. So basically you can find it in JNTU labs. Now I am majorly concentrating on your academics basically. So now you need to tell me again, you need to tell me whether I will be explaining each and what I will be telling you. Let us discuss, and after that I will be telling what you need to do. Okay, I will be explaining you digital design through Verilog. This is the course I will be telling you, or the subject you can tell it as like a subject I will be telling you. In that I will be completing all the units you have. Basically a 5 units kind of thing you have, right? So basically I will cover this all the 5 units. Very first unit is like introduction to Verilog, what is Verilog as VHDL and level of design description. All the topics one by one. My heading will be like Verilog as HDL, unit 1 Verilog as HDL in this chapter. Okay, so chapter name I will be mentioning the book name as well as the topic. Okay, chapter name and topic I will be telling. Yes, I will be not be covering small concepts like system, task kind of thing where more theory is required. I will be telling you overall how the flow goes and what are the important questions you will be finding, or you will be expecting questions in your exams. Okay, so those kind of things I will be telling you, and what are the scenarios in any way. It may be any part of the world, the same thing. If you are learning a Verilog, the same thing, same book you will be learning and they will be teaching you, right? So same thing they will be teaching. First of all they will be starting from Verilog, and then they goes on types of structures are there, simulations, test benches, what are the values. These all kind of the flip-flops. So these all the things will be going on. Okay, now as I am being an Indian and making many videos on English, some of the people in my channel has commented that they want their languages like to make the videos in Hindi or Telugu. I have made some videos on Telugu, Hindi, English, Bengali. So these videos I have made, right? So now you please comment below which language you want. Okay, in which language I need to explain all these concepts one by one, very smooth and simple, so that you will be learning each of it very easily, and then you will be passing in your exams. This not only this book, I will be exploring many books. You can comment which book I need to explore. I will be telling you, and which topic I need to explore. This every video I will be telling at the end. Just explore the book, tell me the book, I will be making a video, or tell me a topic on which you are facing very difficulty or you understanding without concept is very hard. I will be making you the video. Okay, first in this video just comment me which language you require. Okay, it may be either English, Hindi, Telugu or Bengali. Anyone you can choose for any of these 4 languages which I know. And the second thing is, if you are not telling by the end of this, today the date is like 2nd. Okay, so today the date is like 2nd. By the end of 5th, okay, by the end of the 5th I'll be waiting for your responses, your comments and all. After 5th what I will be deciding, again I will go for your English. Okay, English kind of thing I will be going for you, because you know English is the most spoken language or universally accepted language over the YouTube media, right? So most of the people like English and they want want to listen it in English. Okay, so that's the reason I will be opting for again for English, and then I will be continuing. Yes, if anyone comments, any one person, it may be any person, it may be any one person who is commenting stating that I want this video, this series of videos in either Hindi, Telugu, English or Bengali, the very first comment which I get, I'll be going with that. Okay, the very first comment which I get, I'll be going with that. Else, if there are a lot of comments, like if I get some 20 plus comments, right, then I'll take an average and I will show, I'll make a video why I have taken that language as my basic conversation between us. Okay, I hope my community or my subscribers will support me, will help me to sort out this problem, because we are a family right now. So that's the reason I hope you will be commenting everything. So if you like this video, please like it. If you like my idea, then also you can share with this my channel with others also, so that they will be learning from the first part. So I'll be releasing every day one new topic. I will make sure that I will be releasing every day one new topic, because now I got many topics here, right? I got many topics here. Every day I can come, I can explain each of the topic for you. So till then, stay tuned to my channel, and if you have any doubt, just comment below. And if you want any video on regarding any topic or regarding any project, just comment below. See to it that it is like small part of your project, not the total project you are giving to me. Okay, so till then, goodbye, take care.